to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete your Is Crypto account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Is application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, you need to click on three lines which is at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can find Settings option. Click on the Settings tab. You can see that your account settings has been locked. Click on Tap to unlock account settings, where you need to type in the password of your account. After typing in the password, click on Submit button. Now you can see the options here. You can see Delete Account tab. Click on it and click on I understand and agree the terms box here. Now click on Confirm and Finish button. Here you need to type in the username of your account and click on Delete button. So that is how you can delete Is Crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.